This Keurig is a lifesaver and one of my favorites. And so if you're looking for something industrial for your house or for your office, I highly suggest this one. Before I show you the tutorial, I just wanted to show you one of my favorite features is you pull this to access the pod bin, and 50-60 fit in there, so you're not having to clean it out every time you make a cup of coffee. Okay, so put this under, lift up, pod, I do strong always, select your ounce, and it's amazing. Has its own water source, so you would need to make sure that your office or your home can set you up for that, but it's brilliant, love it.